Hello, all. My name is Abhay Kumar, and me and Murli are very close from right from the beginning of college. And I still Murli has added a lot of value to other people's life in college also, and after college also, being into the kind of a noble profession which I call as teaching. Yes. So as far as my introduction is concerned, I have done my engineering in the electrical background, and after that, I have been working with a rail transport MNC from last 4.5 years plus. And my job role is more into system engineer come control engineer, where I've designed the communication system for a train, and it is from paper till the time it's get implemented in the train. It's a complete process which I work on. So it's more of a kind of a knowledge which is kind of electrical as well as a combined knowledge of electronics and communication with some knowledge of networks on it. So now coming on to a few learnings which I want to share with you as a part of crux which I've got from corporate. So point number one is experience. See, you can beat degrees, you can beat certifications, you can beat knowledge, but there is something which is unbeatable, which I call as experience. For example, there is no degree out there which can give you experience of 30 years in 1 year. That is not possible, right? So sometimes when we are fresh, pass out from college, and when we go into corporate, we get a bit of a ego that we are from some hotshot college or whatever, we have a good lot of knowledge or whatever, we are gate qualified, something like that. But once you enter into the corporate, you need to understand that there are a lot of people who are actually lot much experienced than you, and you can only learn from them if you are ready to submit yourself and somewhere respect them. So that is what I call as wisdom. So point number one is experience is unbeatable. Point number two is, no matter if you have a very good degree but you have no knowledge on how to talk to people, or you have no knowledge on the people skills, the things are going to be really very very difficult for you. Okay. Point number three is to enjoy the process. Now, why to enjoy the process? See, at some point of time in your life, you need to stop yourself comparing with your friends or relatives on what they are doing. They are good at their place, you have to be good at your place. Okay. So see what you are doing. Are you happy? If yes, then nothing else should actually matter, right? So in our terminology in Hindi, we say that तान के सीना हंसता जा या ओढ़ के चादर सोता जा, ये नाव तो चलती जाएगी, तू हंसता जा या रोता जा, right? So that's the meaning of it, that enjoy the process, just enjoy the process. After that, coming on to the learning portion, that you have to be always open minded towards learning. You can never be close minded. Don't think that I am expert into something, because usually expert definition is something like this, you know everything about everything. But if you really know everything about everything, it might be a case that you don't know what you don't know. Right? So be careful, be always open to learning and keep learning. And the last thing with which I would like to sign off is that life is a kind of series of events. Me meeting somebody, then he introducing me to somebody else, and that's how we open doors of opportunities for each other. So let's stay connected. We never know what kind of doors we can open for each other. Thank you so much for hearing me out. Bye bye.